Bam, what's good? Jordan Baywood here, and I'm a music producer and audio engineer, and today I'm going to be showing you a simple yet effective way to de-ess really easy, because actually I get a lot of questions. How do you control that harshness? How do I use a de-esser? It doesn't sound right with me. Today I'm going to show you the way I easily get over that and quickly de-ess within a few minutes. So let's get right into it. So today I am using Logic Pro X. That's what I usually use on this channel, but you can do this in any DAW. So the first thing I want to just show you the raw vocal. This vocal is harsh to me, so that's why I thought it was a good candidate for what we're doing today.
I'm a special kind of mystic. I'm optimistic, like Winnie the Pooh at a crime scene. You bear witness of how I overestimate the odds.
So you can hear that there's a lot of highs.
You bear witness of how I
right there. It's very harsh. And what I like doing is when I'm going through a vocal, I like opening it up in EQ. I just have a normal setting where it automatically just gets rid of the low end. If we watch it, we're gonna wanna find out where this harshness and these S's are coming from your vocal. So me as a mix engineer, I mix a bunch of different people. They all have their S's in different ranges. So there's no set in stone one. But when I show you guys this and you figure it out, make sure you save it as your default version. I'll show you how to do that as well. So we're gonna play this, and we're just gonna kind of scope out the high end. Where's their huge points, and where is it coming from?
You bear witness of how I overestimate the odds. Illustrate a mirage, make a collage of positivity with the abilities of the Orishas.
Okay, so I hear it at around 6,600 if you guys heard that as well. And what I like doing is going back about 800 hertz, and then so we're at about 5,800. So that's where I'm gonna start the de-essing. So that's how you find where the S's are. So you see it's like 6,600, but then there's a little bit before, so you wanna kinda like go back a few hertz. That's what I figured out about that. So I'm gonna open up Logic's de-esser, and some people said they don't have de-esser 2. You just gotta upgrade your Logic to the newest one. Let's recall default on this and just see what's going on. So the first thing I like doing is setting it to wide, and then I like to do the filter like this. The reason I like doing the filter like that is because we go like this with this purple band. It's going to go at 5,800, and then anytime harshness comes, it's gonna kind of duck everything, all the highs, so we can get a consistent, nice sound. Let's put that down. So, all right, we got those two things set. Relative mode, I think absolute mode is actually gonna be easier for you guys to do, to look at the threshold. So change it to absolute, and then let's play it.
You bear witness.
So you see nothing's happening because the threshold's not right. So we gotta set this threshold probably down here, way down here.
You bear witness.
We see the audio on the left over here. We wanna go the top part of it, because the S's and harshness are sitting on top of the vocal, so they're gonna be the loudest parts of the vocal. So we're gonna find the loudest parts here.
You bear witness of how I
All right, so we can go up a little bit.
You bear witness of how I...
You see how that witness goes up higher, but over here it's a smaller audio than this? Because that's what harsh sounds do. They just peak up the frequencies. Let's see.
You bear witness of how I
So we're hitting those S's. So now what I like to do is max reduction, go all the way, and you're gonna hear a big difference, and then you can kind of reduce as you go. But I like setting it just right there. And then my frequency, remember 5,800? Because we found it at our with our EQ. Boom. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just save as default. And that's a really easy way to just have a good de-esser with the Logic one.
You bear witness of how I overestimate the odds. Illustrate a mirage, make a...
So even this one, I'd like to go threshold down a little bit because it wasn't catching all the top end.
You bear witness of how I overestimate the odds. Illustrate a mirage, make a collage of positivity.
So that's really smoothing out. And next I want to do Waves de-esser, show you Waves de-esser 2, because I think it actually is smoother. So we're typing in here 5,800. We got that long band, and we're gonna just move the threshold until it's smooth.
You bear witness of how I overestimate the odds. Illustrate a mirage, make bear witness of how I bear witness of how you bear witness of how I overestimate the odds. Illustrate a mirage, make a collage of positivity with the abilities of bear witness of how I overestimate the odds. Illustrate a mirage, make a collage of positivity.
Boom. And then after that, if it's still not smooth enough, because remember, if you have lower quality mics, you're going to have a harsher sound. So then what I would do is just take another EQ and just kind of do this. Dip it down. And then just kind of like bring that, and now that will really help control the vocal.
You bear witness of how I overestimate the odds. Illustrate a mirage, make a collage of positivity with the abilities of the Orishas, the African gods.
You get a much smoother vocal, and that's the essence of de-essing. So make sure you find your little range and then save it as default so you never have to worry about it again. And by the way, if you guys are interested in some free vocal presets, we have so many free presets. Just go check them out using the links down below, and comment below any other tutorials, mixing tutorials, mastering tutorials you guys like for the future, and any questions down below. I answer all my comments every single day, so that's a great way to reach me. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, because that would mean a lot, and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified every time we drop a video. We're dropping 3 a week. Let's get it. We're pumping out content. I'm so excited about this. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this. That really does help. It helps more than you think. So just smash that like button, that thumbs up, whatever you like to call it. I will see you guys next video. Peace.